Alfonso, kiss me, give Alfonso. Miss Sisang Mangyan, hello. Ayoko na, lawil nyo lang akong tinitigan eh. Mag-drop din kayo, guys. Drop to reach 3 star. I had this feeling. Wait a minute, guys. My phone is lagging. Hi, David. Ganda ng lugar mo. Mas maganda ako. Hey, joke lang. Akyu! Oh, hello, Bao. Hi. Jake, hello, Jake. Diego! No! I will! But, where's the ring? I can see the ring! Oh my God! Ang ina mo. Where's the ring? Diba, she, like that? He buka-buka. But I still thank you. Mochi, hello. Jigo, where's the ring? Why she don't like this? Oh. Ala, kundi na lang guys. Hammer, hello. Someone stole it. Why? Nasa ilog ka ba? Sa tingin mo, nasa ilog ba ako? Why stolen my, ano, my ring? Where's my ring? I want married na to Diego. You surprised me, but the ring is gone. That means I have to send another one. Where? Where? Alfonso, where? I want like this one. Oh, then, yeah. Shut up. I can't find a ring. Did you see the gift, marry me? What is that? What is that earlier? This one, oh, marry me. See the fun. Mahal feelings. Marry me gift. This one, oh. Marry me is one ring. One ring. One ring. Sorry, guys. I send you marry me. Ah, marry me ba? What is that? Why the ring is gone? Not like this. Oh, not doing like this.